Hello students, how are you everyone? Welcome to Dheya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra and I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for the our new topic for standard 8, that is word formation. What is mean by word formation? When you read this word, what comes in your mind first? Yes, to making words. Formation means what? To make. Okay. Now see over here, definition of word formation. What is the definition? Word formation refers to the method used to create new words or change existing ones using morphemes, that smallest unit of meaning. Now see, what is this meaning? This meaning is like, see over here, pay attention students. See, what is this definition? This is what the word formation refers to the methods used to create new word. Means what? From one word is given over here. Okay, for example, and what you will do? You will take a small part of that and you will create new one. That is what the smallest unit. Okay, using morphemes, right? Or change existing words. Means what? You change the existing words. Now see students, why you want to learn this? Why this knowledge is important to you? Anyone have an idea about this? Why this knowledge is important? Why we should, there is already word are given by ready made. Why should we cut it down? Why should we make a new word? Or why we use that method? Why? Yes, to better understanding, to know about the more words, to know more about the language, right? That is the important. Okay, you can take this at a game also. Okay, at your home, what you do? You take a big word, make a 10 list of 10 words, and from this side, you have to write that word from that 10 words, extract the letters, and make new words. Okay, then you will do this activity, students. Yes, very good. This is a small activity for your fun. Okay, you write it down in your notebook that you have to make take a 10 words and make it in a new formation word. Okay, new word from that 10 words. Okay, understood? Everyone? Okay, now see what is the purpose. Okay, what we are discussing about it? We are discussing about purpose. Purpose is what? Expand vocabulary, enhance understanding of words, structure and meaning. Expands your vocabulary means what? You will get a more words. Okay, if you have a more words, you can talk fluently. First benefit is what? You can talk fluently. If you know the good words or more words, what will happen? Your vocabulary will improve. Next is what? Now see, enhance the understanding. Means what? If a word is little bit difficult, if you break it down or you will make another word, so what will happen? Yes, you will think, no, I have taken this word before, but I have create a new word from that word. So new word is small, but that is, you know that word previously also, that small word means automatically you will remember the big one also. This way is the more beneficial to you to know the word formation. Understood, students? Now see that words structure and meaning. Structure means what? The word size. Okay. And the meaning. Meaning, everyone know the meaning, words meaning? Yes, meaning means to means a explanation of some word. Okay, now right now what I am doing? I am explaining you word formation, means I am telling the meaning of that. Okay, what I am doing? I am explaining you word formation, means what I am telling the meaning of word formation. That way. Okay, understood? Yes. Now we will go to next slide. See, what is our next slide? See, types of morphemes. Means what? Free morphemes, stand alone word. See, happy is word, play is word. Okay. Can you make a word from happy, another word, or play? Can you make happy, ale? Are these our word? Did they have any meaning? Ha means what? Is having a ha in any kind of a meaning for ha? No. Happy? No. Only pp? No. Py? No. Play? No. So these are free from morphemes. Means what? They are cannot be converted into small word or a what we will say a new word. New word or cannot be from a word formation. Okay, cannot happen. You cannot convert this word into new formation. Okay, now next is what? Next is what? That is bound morphemes. Bound means what? For example, cannot stand alone. Now what are they? S, U, N, E, R. Is this word have any kind of meaning? U, N, E, R, S. See, I say mango. Mango. A mango can stand single. If I say mango, what is mango? Mango is a fruit. But if I write over here a word formation, what will be the word formation can be happen over here? That is man and another is go. But if I use bound morphemes, that will be what will be happen? The new word will be created over here. That is what? Man goes. What I have add? I have had yes over here. What I add? I add yes. But can I only use a S letter? No. We cannot use that single word. Okay. Now another part is see prefix. Font. Font. See un, dis. See. For example, un plus happy is what? Unhappy. Okay. Now suffix. What is end? Now see. What is the word? Teach. Teach can stand single. What I am doing? I am teaching over here. So what? Teach is my action. See, understood what I am telling. Pay attention over here, students. See, teach is what? Teach is action. But if I add over here er, what another word will create or generate? What another word is formed? That is T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. What is the another word? That is a teacher. Now see students, pay attention over here. I am explaining something important to you guys. Pay attention. See. What is our another word? Another word is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Can stand single? Yes. If I say Shraddha is kind, means what? She is, in Marathi what we will call for a kind? That is Dayalu. Okay. But only a and double es can stand single. This only ness word we are using in our daily life. Are we using ness word in our daily life? No. What we do? We do one idea over here. What is that idea? We add this word with kind. So we create a new beautiful word. That word is kindness. What we do? We merge that word together. What we get? Kindness, a beautiful word. Now see. Another is see. What un can stand single? Un. U-N. Un. Can stand single? No. But if I add a able into it, A-B-L-E, able. So what word we will get, students? Pay attention over here. See. What word we will get? Unable. What is this? This is a new word. This cannot stand single. Able is also not able to stand single. Able is also not able to stand single. See. So what we will do? Make a new word. Unable. Are you able? See, if I say, are you able to watch? Means what? Are you is important. Okay, that way. Now see students, next is what? Direct, diversional and inflectional affix. Now see, what are the directional and inflectional affix? Directional means what? Derivational. Derivational. Okay, that's it. This word is derivational. Form new words to or change word class. Okay. Now see, pay attention students over here. What I am telling, it is very important. Now see over here. See, what word I have taken? Happy. Happy. Ness. What I add? Ness. Okay. Now what is inflectional? Inflectional means what? Change tense, number, grammar. Book, books, play, played. Now see. See, if you play the cricket, okay, today is your cricket match. What I said, all the best students, play nice or play good. Okay, today match has done, you win and we meet tomorrow again. So what I said, well played students. Means what? That was in that activity you have done yesterday. So today what will I say? Well played. Understood? Yes. This way. And now there is one example, that is of books. Okay. Now next is compounding. combines two free morphemes to form a new word. Now see over here. Combination means what? Combining. Combining means what? Mixing them together. See, if I mix, see, this rain means what? Rain means what? Paus. In Marathi, what we call paus. Okay. In that way, if we write over here a word rain, is this word have any meaning? Or this is meaningless word? Does this word have any kind of a meaning? Yes, there is. If I say only a rain, what you will understand? What word I am talking? I am talking about a weather regarding. That is what I say. Today is heavy rain. Means what? I told about the situation about the rain. Heavy means yes, in a huge quantity. Okay. Now see, if I add coat over here. Coat means what? A cloth we wear. Okay. Now see, this is also have something different meaning. But if I combine this word together, what word will create? That is rain coat. That word is rain coat. When we used? When it's outside rain. Everyone use this, right? Now see, what is sun? Anyone have an idea about this? What is sun? Sun is what? A bright planet which appears in the daytime. Okay. And flower means what? What is meant by flower? Do you know? A small part of a tree. Now see, if I combine these two words, what word will create? That is sunflower. This is also a part of a tree. Plant we can say. See now. Conversion, zero derivation. Okay. Now a noun, verb or adjective retains form but changes function. Now see, for example, email. Email is a noun. Verb. Green is what? Adjective, and that is also a noun. Everyone have an idea about verbs and adjective? Yes. Good. Next, what is clipping, blending, back formation? Clipping means what? Shorten word. Television, TV. See, do you see I want to watch television today? What you say? I will watch TV today. Are you saying this? No. Now that is blending and combine parts of words. Breakfast, lunch. That is brunch. See, when in the morning what you do? You do breakfast at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is the timing of breakfast. Okay. But your lunch timing is 1. And between that time from 8 to 1, you feel hungry. Right? And if you have something at that time, that is what? That is brunch. What is that? That is brunch. Okay, that is not a breakfast or not a lunch, but between that, at 11 o'clock, if you eat something, that is what? That is your brunch. Okay, now back formation, remove an affix from the new word. Now see, this word is what? EDITORIAL, editorial. But what you do? Oriel you remove from that. So what word will create? Edit. Understood? Now see, word building rules. You are creating new words, means what? You are building new word. Now see, word order, steam. derivational affix, in functional of affix. For example, commit, commitment, commitments. So see, I commit or commitment or commitments. Now see, if I say I commit that I will done 3 lecture today. That is what I commit means. I have give the commitment. Commitment means what? Yes, I have given a promise that I will complete or I will do this activity. That is what? That is a commitment. And commitments means what? Means, see, if you promise one more than one, that are the commitments. You cannot do false commitment. Okay? Now see, now this is a process description example. Now in a short, from affection to back formation, we will know this. Okay, pay attention over here. Affection means what? Add prefix and suffix. Now see, what is that example? That is happy, unhappy. Now compounding. 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 Merge two words. That is what? Merging two words means what? Sunflower. That is sunflower. Now see. Conversion means what? Change word, class without altering form. Like email, verb and noun. Understood? Now clipping is what? Shortened word. Advertisement, ad. TV, if that word is television, what we will say? TV. Now, blending. Combine words part. Means lunch and breakfast. Now, breakfast plus lunch is what? Breakfast plus lunch means what? A brunch. Means what I have done, I have combined this word together. What new word has created? That is brunch. B-R-U-N-C-H. Now back formation is what? Remove affix to create new word. What I have done over here? I have removed O-R-I-A-L. So what word I get? That is edit. E-D-I-T. Edit. Now students, which is a prefix? Now see, you find a prefix. Now ness, U-N-E-R-S. This is what? Kindness. And unhappy. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. E-R, teacher. And S, books. Now tell what is prefix. This one is prefix. Unhappy. Unhappy means what? UN is added. Which word shows combining? Farmer, sunlight, quick, unkind. Unkind cannot be a answer. Quick is a single word. Sunlight or farmer. See, combining two meaningful words to create a one word, that is what? Sun and light. Sun is also have a different meaning. Light is also have a meaning. But if we combine them together, the meaning is also different. Their spelling is same, but their meaning is different. Okay, adding er to teacher gives teaching, teacher, teachness or teached. So, if I add over here er, what word has created? Do we have that option? Definitely we have that option. So, our answer is Teacher. We have to pick that, right? Now students see another plate shows. Now see derivation combining inflection and blinding. What is that? That is inflection. Now see happiness is a formed by adding able ly ness un. But do we have ness? Yes, we do. Okay. Branch is what? An example of clipping, compound, blend, back formation. Yes, that is a blend. Okay. Blend means also what? Cut it down. Okay. Television, TV is what? Blending, back formation, clipping, conversion. Sorry. What is that? That is clipping. Okay. Edit from editorial is what? Editorial is what? Back formation. That is what? A back formation. She will email him. Her email is converted verb. Which is suffix? Re, dis, full, un. Full is suffix. Now see, in sunflower, the head is left, right, middle, none. What will be the option? In sunflower, is the head is none. Okay, a divisional suffix is nd. Okay. Now see, kindness is what? Process. That is affection, clipping, conversion, compounding. Kindness is what? See, we will go back. Do we have here? No. Kindness is prefix. This way, you have to go back and pick the right answer. Don't pick the wrong one. That is a okay. Play, playful, uses in prefix. Okay. Now see, phone from telephone is blend or compound or conversion or clipping. That is clipping. Breakdown is what? Affection, compound, clipping, blend. Breakdown is blend. Zero directional example we'll take afterwards over here. See, happily from happy, teacher from teach, fish variable, fish noun, UDT from Teddy. See. Okay, unkind means what? U plus kind is unkind. Okay. Now simply, simple. Simplify. So what we add? FLI. Dark room is what? That is combined. Okay. Thank you so much students. Keep practicing and learn this by heart. Thank you.